So I own and operate a med spa called NurMedspa Wellness, and we offer services for post-cancer treatment. So for alopecia, when you're losing your hair with chemo, let's say you stop chemo or whatever, we have exosomes, which are plant-based stem cells, which help hair regrowth. And I know hair is a big process when you're on chemo and you stop chemo. We also have surgical scar treatment with Morpheus E, which is a skin tightening and collagen production treatment. So scars, they're on your body, whether it's reconstruction scars, we help to make sure that they get better and, soften the scars so the recovery is better. And then it's also important to talk about caregivers, because as a caregiver, it takes a huge toll on you when you're by your side, helping whoever it is, a cousin, a friend, a sister, or a mother going through something like this, and making sure that they have time to take out for themselves and kind of pour back inside yourself, because as women, we're constantly giving. So thank you so much for hearing my story. I'm so happy to be here with you guys.